With TenantCloud, you can pay rent online and report those payments to major credit bureaus, helping to build your credit history over time. To get started, do the following. Connect with your landlord on TenantCloud. Make sure you have an active shared lease with recurring monthly invoicing. Next, go to your dashboard and press Enable Link using the Rent Reporting widget on the left sidebar. Enter your full name, social security number, and date of birth in our secure portal. Then click Continue. Now choose from two reporting options. Ongoing rent reporting for $6.95 per month. This is where we'll report your current rent payment to major credit bureaus on the 21st of each month. Past and ongoing rent reporting includes two separate payments: a one-time fee of $49.95 for past payments reporting, back rent reporting, and an ongoing monthly fee of $6.95 for ongoing payments reporting. You'll be able to review the payments that will be reported before proceeding. A green tip indicates a positive on-time rent payment. A black tip indicates a negative or incomplete payment. If you see any inaccurate payments, make sure to contact your landlord for correction before enabling rent reporting. If everything looks good on the payment information page, enter your payment details and click Enable.